Welcome to Rapid Flow Consulting, presenting Oracle Cloud and Artificial Intelligence webcast. Series 1, Episode 2 about OCI Database AI Command Center for Database Operational Efficiency. Currently extended to emerging cloud computing and artificial intelligence offerings like Product Labs and Cloud Marketplace listing. Let's quickly move on to the key theme of today's webcast. Oracle's AI for Database Operational Automations, often called DBAOps, leverages database prompt engineering with OCI observability to enhance database operational performance and security in the hybrid and multi-cloud environment. With vector data supported in the new release, customers can build multi-model, multi-cloud, and multi-purpose data for all kinds of data workloads. Oracle AHF, called DBAIOps with machine learning models, our anomaly detection, uses historical data to identify patterns that deviate from the typical pattern. Predictive maintenance, which predicts conceivable system failures, performance bottlenecks allowing for proactive interventions. Automated diagnostics, which analyzes diagnostics to suggest solutions or automatically apply specific fixes without human intervention. Embedded large language models, LLMs, for natural language processing. This technology enables users to interact with AHF in natural language, querying the system for status or issues in plain English. AS per market research firms for the year 2025. CIO and CSO's asks were focused on full-scale operational automations with generative AI for hybrid workloads, Ops Center to reduce overhead costs of complex patching, release upgrades, and automated predicted performance tuning of high-performance business systems workloads. Let's stay tuned for more Rapid Flow Cloud and AI webcasts. Subscribe to the Rapid Flow bi-weekly newsletter and our corporate social handles to get more insights about reducing TCO and increasing ROI. Thanks for listening to our webcasts. Keep listening for more cloud and AI market trends. Contact us for demo or additional information on AI and other Oracle Cloud offerings at info@rapidflowapps.com and phone number 408-512-888. Our corporate Twitter X handle is Rapid Flow Apps.